Hoi, Malahalam Umbi, come inside. We're having Chamorro SPAM Kelaguen. If you know, you know. If not, don't knock it till you try it. The recipe is linked below and at the end of the video. We'll start with two 12-ounce or two 340-gram cans of low-sodium SPAM. It needs to be low sodium or it will be too salty. Smash the SPAM with one hand. Smashing it gives it that perfect texture, like chicken caliguin. And don't cook the SPAM idza for this Guam caliguin recipe. Add a half cup or 112 grams minced yellow onions, 1/4 cup or 25 grams chopped green onions, and 4 teaspoons or 14 grams lemon powder. Mix with a wooden spoon and taste. Add doni or hot pepper and combine well. Kelaguen is a mixture of some type of protein like chicken, beef, shrimp, or SPAM with lemon, onion, salt, and doni. It's a Chamorro version of ceviche. Taste again and add more doni or lemon powder if needed. This is the doni and lemon powder I used today. The pepper is from Rota, our sister island. I'm out of the normal Asian lemon powder, so I use true lemon. You can also use fresh lemon juice. Transfer some SPAM caliguin to a small bowl. Add coconut and mix in. I don't normally put coconut in SPAM caliguin, but I had leftover coconut today and I didn't want to waste it. This Guam SPAM caliguin is excellent with Chamorro flour tortillas and even white rice. If you love SPAM, you'll love the SPAM caliguin recipe. Be sure to check out my other Guam recipe videos. Hasta later!